Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are well, all of you are good. Actually in the previous video I had explained you about class 6 maths exercise 2.3 question number 1, 2, 3. In this exercise we will explain about question number 4. Before explaining the question, actually first of all I would like to thanks to one of my student Mahi's father. He had actually suggested that in exercise 2.2 question number 5 there was one petrol related question that on Monday a car fills 40 liter and then 50 liter, the cost of petrol was that 44 liters per day, then how much money did he spend on petrol? So that right answer was 3960. Instead of 3960 I have written 4060. That was a really great blunder. So actually first of all I am sorry for that. So please, if you have written that 4060, then cut that. Exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. Remember this word. Question number 5. The answer is 3960. Actually at the last that was total 90 liter petrols and the petrol cost was 50 rupees. So 50 into 90, sorry, not 50, it was total I think so 90 liter petrol and the cost was 44 rupees, right? So here 90 into 44, that was the answer. So 9 4s are 36, 9 4s are 36 and 3, 3960. Instead of 3960 I have written that 4060. So first of all I am sorry for that, and thank you very much sir that for your wonderful suggestion. That's how all the students can get the right answer. Thank you very much. Today we will discuss exercise 2.3 question number 4. Find using distributive property. First of all, what is distributive property? If I ask you about the distributive property means you have to distribute the numbers. As for example 105 is there. So can we distribute this number into 100 plus 5? The two parts we have distributed. Similarly, whenever you are distributing, that time the product result should come in a round figure. That's why specially we use this property. So here you can see the question 728 into 101. So what we will write? Instead of 101, 728 into 101 first step. Second step 728 into, instead of 101, 100 plus 1. According to distributive property. So here you can write according to distributive property. So first of all, everyone just change that answer. Exercise 2.5 question number 5. Okay. So I hope all of you have changed that answer. Instead of 4060, write there 3960. That was the wrong answer. Now here you can see as according to distributive property. Distributive property. This AC means according to. Okay. So here if we will multiply by 100, 728 into 100 plus 728 into 1. So this is our distributive property. Now 728 into 100, 72800 means 72,800, right? Plus 728. When you will add both this number, 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 2, 2. 8 plus 7, 15. 2 plus 1, 3. 73,528 answer. In the previous video also I have solved this question and I have given you 3 questions in homework. So now we will solve all the 3 questions. I hope all of you are understanding about this concept, distributive property. What you have to do in distributive property? You have to just distribute the number for your round figure products. Got it? So you can write this answer and after then we'll go towards the B, question number B. I hope all of you have written this answer. Now can I move to the question B? 5347. Question number B is 5347 into 1001. What you will do in this question, it is also same like that. What we have to do, 5347 into 1001. First of all you have to write, and instead of 1001 we will use distributive property, that is 1000 plus 1. Got it? So you will multiply this 5347 with 1000. So what will be the result? 5347 into 1000 plus 5347 into 1. So as you will multiply 5347 000, because if after multiplying by 1000, that much zero will come on that number, and plus 5347. Now you have to add this both the numbers. 7 plus 0, 7, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 3, 3, 7 plus 5, 12, 4, 1, 5, and 53. 53, 5,35,000, sorry, 53,52,347. So after adding this both the numbers, write properly, so you will not get confusion. 5347 000. See, whenever if you don't know to add, then write that number 5347 000, and after then 5347, 5347. So 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 3, 3, 7, 5, 12, 5, 5, 3. 53,52,000, 53,52,347 is the right answer. Got it? So as you have seen the first and second question, now we will move towards the third question and fourth question. So please write this second question also in your notebook. If you don't want to write, then you can take a screenshot also. So now we will move towards question number 4th C. I hope all of you have written. If you have not written, then please take a screenshot. I hope all of you have taken. Now we are moving towards the question number C. 4th C. Question number 4th C. It is 824 into 25. 824 into 25. What you will do in this question? Is there any idea with you that you can do? See, both the things you can do. Either you can do 24 into 25 or 20 into 5. So you can do one thing. First of all, you have to write 824 into 25. See, either you can break this number or you can break the 25. You should know the table of both the things, so you will be feeling comfortable to find the answers. That is the main idea, to find the answer. Okay? Are you getting or not? Okay, so let me first of all say you what to write here. See here, 824 into 25. Can we write here 800 plus 24 instead of 824 and here 25? Can we write or not? Definitely we can write instead of 824 800 plus 24. Now instead of 24 you can do one more thing. 800 plus 25 minus 1. Got it? Into 25. So instead of this 24, can we write 25 minus 1? Yes, 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. So now that will be easy to solve. Why? See here, now 800 into 25 plus 25 into 25 minus 25. Why I have done this? Because all of us know 25 into 25, 625, and here 25, 8 is a 1000, right? No. 25, 4 is a 100, and 25, 8 is a 200. So 200 plus 00 means 20,000. Say if you don't know, then first of all do the multiply this 800 with 25, right? So whatever the answer you are getting, 0, 0, 8, 5 is 40, 0, 0, 8, 2 is 60, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2. 20,000 will be the after multiplication. So 25, 8 is 200. First of all, directly consider. Say 25, 4 is 100. So 25, 8 is 200, right? So 200 and 00 means 20,000, right? 25 into 25, 625, and minus 25. Why I have done this? I am showing you. 20,000 plus 625 minus 25. Can we write 600? So here can we write instead of 20,000 plus 600, 20,600. See, easily we can get our answer. So if you are using this distributive property, so according to distributive property, you will get the right answer, but you should know the concept. What you will do in the concept, that your multiplication should be easy and it should be in a round figure, so you will get the exact answer, right? So you can copy this answer, C, then we will move towards the question number D. 4275 into 125. 4275 into 125. All of you have written this answer? Now let's start question number D and E. There are total 5 questions. So all the 5 questions I will solve it, not an issue. So just see question number D. So question number D is 4275 into 125. 4275 into 125. Now tell me what to do here. By which number we should do the multiplication? It is very easy if you understand them. Right? If you don't understand, then it's a little bit difficult. But if you understand, then it's very easy. What we'll do, instead of this 4275, can we write here 4000 plus 275? Can we write this instead of 4275 into 125? If we are writing this, then it will be very easy. Why? Because see, first of all, 4 table we know, right? Now instead of 275, can we do something? If you think that 275, can we write like that? 4000 plus 200 plus 75. Can we write this into 125? Why I am doing this all? This all I am doing because we should know the 4s are 125, 4s are 125, 2s are. Now here it is 75. Can we write instead of 75? Can we write here 100 minus 25? So 4000 plus 200 and plus, instead of 75, 100 minus 25. Can we write it or not? 75 means 100 minus 25 and into 125. Got it? Now all the tables are very simple. So here what is the answer? 4000 plus 200 plus 100 minus 25 into 125. Got it? So here 4000 into 125 plus 200 into 125 plus 100 into 125 minus 25 into 125. Got it? So here first of all 125 4s are, it's 500. 125 104 into, if you multiply 100 with 4, 400 and 25 4s are 100. So 400 plus 100, 500. And this 000, 1, 2, 3. Got it? So 5 lakh 125 multiplied by 4000 is 5 lakh plus 125 2s are 250. 250 00. So it's 25,000. Here 125 into 100. 125 00, 12,500. And now here 125 into 25. See, 5 5s are 120, 5 5s are 25. So if we multiply this instead of 125, can we do 5 into 5 and here 125? So what will happen? 125 5s are 625, right? And 625 5s are 3125. So otherwise you can directly multiply here 125 into 25. You can see here 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 10, 2, 12, 1, 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. Got it? And 125 2s are 250, right? So 5 2 6 5 11 3 1 2 5. I said you 3125. So here minus 3125. First of all, you can see here 5,25,000, 12,500, and here you have to minus 3,125. So first of all, you can see here 5,25,000 is here, right? You can add this both. So what will be there? 5,25,000. 5,25,000 minus plus. If you are doing minus, so 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 1, 3, 11 minus 3, 8. See, 8,375. You can do here also. This is your rough work. 12,500. 12,500 minus 3,125. 3,125. So 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, and 12 minus 9, 12 minus 3, 9. 9,375, not 8,375. It will be 9,375, right? So here you can see, after adding these all, what will happen? Now 4 digit is here, 3 digit, 375 will come. 9 plus 5, 14. It will be 5 on the last, 7 on the last, 3 on the last. Now 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 carry, 2 1, 3 and 5. 5,34,375, right? 5,34,375. So by this way you can solve it very easily. Otherwise you can do the addition of all these 3 and minus 3,125. That will be also a great step. You must know the round figures, how to put a round figure, so you will know the answers about it. I hope all of you are understanding. If you are not understanding, then whatever the steps you are not understanding, please drop that steps down so I can feel that yeah, really you are not able to understand this step, so I will explain in the next video. And now we are moving towards the last question. It is also very easy. You can write this answer, and the last one E, right? Now we are moving towards the E question. So there are 5 questions in 4. Yesterday I had explained 1. Today we are explaining this. So now let's start this last question, E. In this E question is 504 into 35. Very easy, 504 into 35. Tell me what we can do. We can write, instead of 500, we can write 500 plus 4 into 35. Right? So here 500 into 35 plus 4 into 35. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 3s are 15 into 17,500 plus 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 140. So 17,640. Got it? I hope all of you have understand about this question number 4. If you are still having any doubt, please arise your doubt into the comment box section so I can solve your all the doubt. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends so they can also get knowledge. Thank you.